welcome back to the channel and for watching these videos. We're back at the boat, it's all finished, and today is the day it's going to go back in the water. So, got a bit of extra fuel to put in the tank. Got to take the awnings down, got to take the engine cover off, and then wait for my slot. Putting the slipway just down there, so I can maybe take it out for a quick blast and then go back to my mooring, which is just over there a little bit more. So let's get the boat ready. As you can see, there's a final bit of cleaning going on here just the other day, so got to get some of this stuff away, get the curtains pulled back. Ready to go. And now we're back in the hoist like we were last year, the small rig, to take us slowly around to the slipway. And that generator sound you can hear is actually on the small rig, and it's what controls the hydraulics to lift these strops up and down to lift and lower the boat. And there we go, we're back in the water for the 2025 season. I've sped the rest of the film up till we get out to open water, where you'll see us getting some air in another boat's wake.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
So here we go, it's time to open the taps and let the boat get up to speed. And just coming into camera on the left hand side there is our friend Charlie's boat. It's a Flybridge Princess, and we're just about to get some air over his wake and then have a bit of a drag race with him. I'm guessing Charlie's boat is probably doing low 20 knots, so it's no effort for my boat to catch and overtake. But after a great first run out, it's time to get back to the marina and check the boat out for any leaks, squeaks, bumps and rattles. Well, as you can see, we're back on the water, back on the mooring. It was a bit challenging with the wind pushing us off the mooring that way, but we managed to get it in. So the 2025 season has now started. So I'm going to sit on here for a while, just relax, let the tide go out a little bit more, and make sure it sits well into the mud. Yeah, and I'll take some videos next time we're out on it. Until next time, take care. Do me a favour, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and then I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.